All right, so here we got a data set that is public domain of the US government. We have countries and statistics of some interesting data, but think of it as any data set that you can think of, like sales or inventory, a list of SKUs, or any data set for that matter, which we want to extract information that you need out of. So here we have population, the region, net migration, GDP, literacy rate, crops, climate, birth rate, death rate, and other cool data. But for this example, let's shoot for what's really important in life, uh, the number of phones per 1,000 people. Now, let's say we want to get to the top 10 countries with most phones and see whether the number of phones has any correlations to the death rate. So let's get which country has the max death rate, get the top 10 countries with most phones, what is the world average death rate, and which one of these countries has higher than average death rate. But we want to transfer this data to another worksheet and make our calculations there. So to do that, we're gonna rank the countries with numbers for most to least number of phones. Uh, Here we created uh, the rank column, and that's where we're gonna insert our ranking. We're gonna click the rank button and see what happens. We're gonna click it, and we go to rank, and there you have it, the ranking from 1 to 300 or something like that. And now let's get out of the data set the world's average and max death rate. We're just gonna click it here, and we jump to another page, another worksheet. And as you can see, the death rate average is 9.76. The death rate max is 29.5. Let's go back to our data set. And all we got left to enter is the top 10 info into the prepared sheet. We're going to click the top 10 button, and we got the ranking and the countries with most phones and the death rate. And let's mark the death rate that's bigger than average. Just gonna click it over here, and there you got it. And just a small example of what we can achieve and how easy Excel can make our lives and our businesses. Thank you for watching.